In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily italicize text using Adobe InDesign. Whether you're working on a design project, a publication, or simply refining your digital documents. First, let's ensure that your desired text is selected. To do this, you have two handy tools at your disposal. You can use the Type tool, also known as the T tool, which is perfect for highlighting specific text within a block or text frame. Alternatively, the Select tool, known as the V tool, is ideal when you want to select an entire text box or frame. Both tools are readily accessible on the toolbar. Just choose whichever suits your task better. Now that your text is highlighted, let's adjust the font style. To change your text to italics, we need to access the Character panel. You can find this panel by navigating through the top menu. Simply go to Window, move down to Type, and then click on Character. This panel is a vital resource for adjusting all text-related settings, such as font size, kerning, and of course, font style. Within the Character panel, you'll want to locate the Font Style drop-down menu. This is typically situated next to the font family name and gives you a range of style options specific to the font you're using. If your current font supports an italic style, you will see either italic or perhaps oblique listed as options. Italic and oblique styles give your text that classic slanted look, adding emphasis or a touch of elegance, depending on your design goal. Simply select the italic version from the drop-down menu to instantly transform your text. But if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and prefer a quicker method, there's a way to apply italics without diving into any menus. If you're working on a Windows PC, press Shift, Ctrl, and I simultaneously. For Mac users, the shortcut is Shift, CMD, and I. This is an efficient technique for those who frequently switch styles and want to expedite their workflow. Just be aware that this shortcut will only work if the font you're using supports italics. Remember, not all fonts inherently include an italic style, especially some of the more decorative or niche font designs. If you don't see an italic option, you might need to choose a different font that offers this styling. I hope these steps help you add that perfect touch of emphasis or flair to your text. Italicizing can be a simple yet powerful tool in your design arsenal. With practice, you'll become quicker, your projects more polished, and your workflow smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.